Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you run email campaigns, newsletters or automated marketing funnels in 2026, combining Claude with Mailchimp can transform your email marketing into a fully AI-powered content and campaign automation system. Generate email campaigns automatically, personalize marketing messages, analyze audience engagement, create subject lines and sequences, and automate content marketing workflows. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to use Claude with Mailchimp in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So basically, we have three methods to do that. Okay, we have the first method, which is manual AI email creation, which is the simplest method. Method number two, automation tools, which is the most popular one. And method number three, direct API integration, which is the advanced one. Okay, so let's stick to the most popular one, which is automation tools. Okay, so this is the most common professional workflow. Automation platforms include Zapier, Make, marketing automation platforms. Okay, so now connect Mailchimp to automation tools. So inside your automation platform, connect Mailchimp accounts, grant marketing permissions, choose campaign or audience triggers. Common triggers include like new subscriber added, campaign created, audience segments updated, campaign performance updated. Okay, triggers decide when Claude activates. So now connect Claude API. So you will need Claude API key, add Claude as AI processing step, authorize automation connection. So, Claude process campaign content. Okay. So that's it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.